Welcome to the Easy Tech Fix It Tech News channel. And of course, one of the interesting news today, if you're a console gamer, the most popular console out there, of course, is the Sony PlayStation. And we learned that Sony has decided to pretty much discontinue the PS4, the PlayStation 4. So the PlayStation 4 had a pretty good run, and it is interesting to see that they are discontinuing it. And the main reason is that they're replacing it with the PlayStation 5, of course. So if you are in the lookout for a PlayStation 4, hurry, because they will get more and more difficult to find. So it seems that they're ending the production run for the PlayStation 4. A lot of console. I don't remember the numbers, but it's millions, dozens of millions of PlayStation 4 that were sold. Once again, Sony is showing that its PlayStation is the king of the console right now. Of all consoles, it sells a lot more PlayStations than any other company with consoles out there. An example is that latest numbers are kind of showing that if you look at Microsoft's Xbox, for example, well, for one Xbox that is sold, Sony sells at least 3 to 4 PlayStations. So it's really a huge difference in numbers. And one of the reasons why Microsoft doesn't actually release a lot of numbers for how many, Xbox they sold, actually. So hurry up, if you are in the lookout for a PS4 rather than a 5, it is going to get more and more difficult to find one soon, as Sony is now discontinuing the product. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.